recording.
Is it?
He's gonna get into the sea right now. Second time trying.
You can wear your slippers if you want.
I'll just put my feet in because it's very warm.
Sea is okay.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's not as cold as like it was before.
There's a lot of fish, he says, here too. There's a lot of people. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's not that cold. It's the first like couple seconds.
Yeah.
Do you want to try?
Yes. We're going to Camel Beach.
Oh yeah.
Finally.
You like the video?
So right now we're on the dock heading over and we'll be there in like 5 seconds. Make your best camel noise.
I can't.
Why? You're not a camel guy?
Nope.
Oh.
Can you make your best camel noise? I would do like.
Well, that was a baby camel, so
Okay.
it's a little different.
Yeah.
Anyway, everybody's like swimming over here and it seems so fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot like, I don't know, different than our beach at our hotel.
Yeah. I think this is better.
More summer vibes on the houses.
Oh yeah. You want to ride?
Maybe.
Okay. We'll see.
They're so cute.
It's Camel Beach.
They're wearing masks because of COVID. That's what all.
Don't steal my jokes. I'm just kidding. It's a silly
Your
joke.
joke. Walking on the shore. I'm messing.
So am I.
We just saw. There's only a couple camels, but we will show you those in a second. And you can like ride them, but I'm not gonna do that today.
It's a good feeling to have your feet on the water.
We've been tanning on the boat a little bit. Got some sun. We're not gonna get too much more sun because we don't want to get too burnt and crispy.
Yep.
But we've been reapplying sunscreen, so
Yeah.
we're doing pretty
We put
good.
a lot of sunscreen on us.
it's a really nice view, and if I could have this view every day, I would.
Maybe one of those houses one day.
Yeah, we'll see.
The most beautiful girl right next to me. There's some candies.
This is the bluest water.
This is like turquoise,
Yes,
aqua blue.
prettiest I've ever seen in my life.
That's where the word turquoise come from.
From Turkey.
Hello.
We've literally just been like gazing at this water.
It's beautiful. Look at this little mountain. And the water right beneath.
And just don't drop it.
Doesn't. Well, yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Do you want to get in the water or no?
I'll see if it's cold or not. I'll see based on what you say.
Okay.
I probably won't be getting in though, unless it's really warm.
Well, looks like I'm gonna be the first one to get in the water.
Evet. Şu bardağı nereye koyayım ben? Yukarıdaydı. Yelek alalım ona. Biraz biliyor, ben yanında olacağım da. Yelek. Bunu mu alayım? Sana bunu... Bayağı derin.
Good job.
Hiç değmiyor canım.
A little too cold for me.
Hello. The last stop before we go back.
Yes.
I'm gonna jump in the water. See how it's gonna look.
But not this start. The next one down.
Yeah, it's like way too high.
We're at Aquarium Bay.
Yeah. Are you gonna chill here?
I can go watch you.
You can watch it from here.
Okay.
Dinlemiş bu sefer aşağı.
Yok yok annesi yiyeceğim diye de.
Getting Starbucks for the first time in Turkey, though.
Yep. Menu is a little
haven't had
bit
The
small.
Plus, I don't know if there are any new drinks that came out in the time, but
Yeah.
there's different pastries.
Like it's not so different.
I ordered a vanilla chai tea.
I ordered a chocolate cream frappuccino. Let's see how it tastes.
Mine's good.
Okay. It's not too bad. It's like Starbucks almost. The ones that I have in the US, pretty similar, but a little different. You want to taste this?
This tastes the exact same.
Let's cross. It's up there.
Okay.
Can we barely
Oh
see
yeah,
it?
we can see it.
Yeah.
That's not that far. Hopefully we can get there before 5 p.m.
Oh yeah. Here's the Bodrum Castle
It's so beautiful and big.
right in front of us, and then still boats around here.
Look at that.
Alright, that's beautiful. All right. Let's get close, not too close, but even in
A
the
couple of bikers who snuck up on me already.
yeah,
And
even,
we're on the like far side of the road, so
even in the pedestrian like roads, they drive their bikes and stuff. Whatnot.
yeah.
Even cars sometimes. Alright, that's it for now.
Here is the outside of the tower. Finally here. Didn't take that long to get here.
I think the
But-
entrance is over there.
Okay. Have you ever been here before?
Nope. It's gonna be my first time.
Okay, that's a good thing. You don't know what to expect yet.
I think this is the entrance.
Okay, here's the entrance. We're gonna buy tickets and get inside.
Oh,
Hayır.